Hi there, this is Rajal Karim. In this video, I am going to show you how we can add a FAQ section in our Shopify product page. Here we can see I am in my dashboard. I am right now in my home page. From here, I will go to my product page. Here we can see products. Click on default product. Under the images and descriptions, I want to add a FAQ section. Here you can see template. Click on add section and write FAQ. FAQ. Here you can see the FAQ section. Click on it. You can see the FAQ section is already added. If I want to change the heading, click on it, and from here you can change it. You can also change the heading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. You can make it bold or not. You can make it italic. You can also put a link here. You can list it, everything. Okay, if you want to change the question, click on the question, and then you from here you can change the question. You can also add an icon in front of the question. If you want to add an icon, here you can see there is no icon. If I click on any icon, suppose I'm choosing arrow, if I click on it, you can see a arrow has been added. You can also use image instead of this icon. Here from here, if I choose this image will be added there. Here you can see the image has been added. In this way you can add icon in front of icon or image in front of the question. If you want to change the answer, just expand it from here and click on it. From here you can also change the answer. You can put the text alignment. If I click on it, you can see the text is in center. You can play with this. Okay, we can we can also make it position in center. Here you can see it is in left. If I click on center, it is in center. You can also change the direction from here. You can see it is in vertical. If I click on horizontal, it is in horizontal. You can change the alignment. You can make it vertical on mobile if you want. Okay, you can change the size full. You can see size has been changed. I am keeping it page width. You can also change the height, custom height, full screen, large, medium, or small, auto, etc. If I click on full screen, you can see it is in full screen. Okay, I am keeping it auto. You can change the color scheme. If you change the color scheme, color will be changed. You can add background under the FAQ questions. You can also use an image or a video. You can change the border solid or none. It is none. If you click on solid, you will be able to see. Here you can see solid border has been added. I don't want to use it. Corner radius, you can also change the corner radius. You can use border overlay if you want to use a border, sorry, background overlay. If you want to use an overlay, just click on it. You will, here you can see overlay has been added. I don't want to use it also, so I am toggling off it. You can also padding top and bottom by increasing or decreasing at uh, increasing or decreasing padding. You can also use custom CSS. This is an awesome feature of Shopify horizon theme. I am right now in my horizon theme. If you use DOM theme, here you will get an option collapsible raw, maybe something like this. In this way you can add a frequently asked question in your Shopify product page. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.